I'm towing that shit. This episode of Hauling Hoopties with Rob, we're picking up a 2004 Envoy right here at Tioga Hyundai. Problem is, I went too far. Shoot. I gotta turn around. Alright. How am I gonna do that with all this traffic? Driveway, but too late. Alright, let's go pick up this hoopty. Hey, good afternoon. I'm picking up ACV.
Oh, okay. Come on back.
Yep. Excuse me. Right there?
Back there in the tower can help you.
Awesome.
Oh, wait,
Thank you.
there's the guy right there.
There he is. Thank you. Hey, what's up, bud? 04 GMC Envoy?
Envoy?
Envoy, yeah.
I got the key.
Yeah, no problem. I usually print the slip, and I forgot to print this one out. Yeah.
Want to email it to me?
Yeah, sure. Let me just go back to it.
Right there.
Right there at the bottom. Okay.
So I'll look it up for you.
Yep, appreciate it.
How's your day going, alright?
It's okay.
It's going.
I'm done after this.
There
Yeah,
you go.
I'm going home.
You're almost done.
Yep.
To that Envoy, right?
Yeah, 04. Okay. Should be a white one, I think.
Do you have the
Control.
VIN right there in front of you? I'll get it, email.
Yeah, let me.
It's out of our system already because
Good.
we're technically sold.
Okay.
Well, so you're backing close to the wall there, dude, and all of a sudden I saw the door open. I'm like, oh. I was like, getting eerily close, dude.
All right, just sent. So let me. You said the VIN.
Last four. 1957.
Yep. You're the man.
It should be parked all on the back wall back there.
Awesome.
One of them. I'm not sure exactly where. But
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. Have a good one. Excuse me. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
All right, let's see if we can find this on. Hyundai's come a long way. Look how they're pretty nice. Wow. I'm sure. That's crazy. I can't send this thing. Starts up. Goes in the drive. Not too bad. This guy's coming back here or what? Pick this up. She's a heavy girl. This is an Envoy extended. No, is that extended? No, that's a standard one. Thought it was the XT. These things are heavy though. All right, locked and loaded. Let's head back to the Hoopty headquarters and check it out. All right, we're back at Hoopty headquarters. Let's take this Hoopty for a ride. Go around the corner.
I'm moving.
I'm towing that shit. Shifts like that. Good. Goes through all the gears. Going to be $19.99 or $24.99. Gotta take a better look at it. Probably $19.99. Not bad inside. Only has 175. Usually the gauges are all screwed up on this, on these Envoys. It's nice. Got a little TV. Yeah. Shift's good. Runs good. This was a good deal. banged up. That. Don't look the other way.
You're that old, you need a hearing aid?
I'm taking a video of that big ass head of yours. What do you think? $24.99? This is actually clean.
Fucking crazy.
How much?
2,500. You gotta be crazy.
I think like $700.
700.
We can't even get 1,700 for these.
for
This is
this.
probably
Nah,
$1,699.
nah, it's $2,000.
Look,
$19.99.
It would have been worth $2,500 if you ain't never take off the hood.
No, it had the hood scoop. Somebody stole it.
Oh.
Some crackhead took it and they, you know.
Down here?
Nah. I'm only kidding. Nah, $19.99.
$19.99 just because of single tax. So what single tax is $16.99.
It's $19.99 now. It's got nice tires on it. It's got chrome wheels. All right.
Well, $2,500 is like we were talking. $500.
Anymore, dude. The money is, you know, cars. It costs me a lot more money now to buy cars.
That's what I'm saying. You
You know what
gotta
I mean? So I gotta bump the
jack
prices
it
a
up
little
too.
bit. Cost me more. I gotta pass it on.
To somebody, right?
Biden done fucked everything up. So your boy.
Somebody gotta pay for it.
Exactly.
You got the titles?
Yeah. Where's the money at?
Some lady's supposed to come.
What?
Test drove 300 earlier. She's supposed to come tomorrow. Shit.
It's money right here.
Pretty good.
It's nice. It's clean.
This will go straight to one of my people that love it.
That piece of shit.
Somebody painted the bumpers.
Yeah, I was looking at it. Oh, that shit look weird. But anyway, I gotta go to the shop.
All right, tell her you know me. She'll do it.
I know she might charge me more because you're an idiot.
They see him coming.
Yeah.
All right, back that junk in. Feels good. Lot is packed. Still have about, I think I have 9 more cars. No room. Gotta make this tax time count. Past 4 years have been rough with that asshole president.
Yeah, we're out of room.
Sorry, I got room in my house. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. I'm rolling.